So this is one of our snow sites. In years past, we've used this tiny little loader right here. However, I wanted to put another one on site. I wanted to ball on a budget, so I bought the largest and cheapest loader I could find on Marketplace. This is a 1970 something Cat 980. It was originally owned by this company Snowlift. They do all the airport plowing in New York City, but I picked it up for dirt cheap to do this site, or at least help out. So we got a couple things to do. There's a couple windows that need to be replaced. Well, now they've already been replaced, but we'll cut back to that footage. You good?
Not really needed, but pretty close.
One of those hoses way up there is leaking. It's just an O-ring, so we just have to replace that. That's relatively simple in the grand scheme of things that could be wrong with this machine. And right now she's leaning like the Titanic thanks to this tire, so I think we're gonna have to throw a new tire on there as well. I also picked up this 17.5-foot Arctic to throw on it. I was going to get a brand new 30-footer, but I found this one at US Equipment Exchange. You'd go on their website right there. Picked this whole thing up for about 10 grand compared to 26 grand for a new one, so that's pretty sweet. So along with that stuff, we got a bunch of other little things to do and a couple other improvements I want to do, so let's get to work. Alright, well that is a lot better. So this one has a little leak right there. You know, this machine isn't waterproof, but that is much better. I'm gonna crank this baby over here. Where's our key? There. And let's go. I'm just gonna let that warm up. All right, I needed to build air pressure so I could fill up that tire on the other side. You know, the last thing I want is between now and whenever I get it replaced is for it to come off the rim. So I'm just gonna let this warm up for like 20 minutes. All right, this site is all set. All right, well, it looks like we got some snow coming in, so this is my kind of shop machine mixed with this salt bin, and it works on this site sometimes. I have a plow here, but usually the trucks do most of the work. It's really just here to load salt, so we're gonna drop this off here, and then we'll got a couple other things to do, prepare, but let's get to it. that's right there. You know, I hate when people do this stuff. Like, to just throw trash everywhere. They threw a garbage bag in there. There's garbage bags all over here. Like, these blocks are mine. I've been here for 3 years now. I have another site I want to move these to. I just never really get a chance to do it. But it's like, it's just disgusting how people are throwing trash. Like, look at all this, all that, everything. It's, you know, these shopping carts are, it's just gross. This plow's been here for about 3 years, and this is the problem with leaving stuff in near a salt bin, is it corrodes. Just the salt being, you know, in the air and so close, it literally corrodes these. So I gotta go replace those. Okay. All right. That's much better. Well, that's good news. This is all set to go. It works. All right, so that's done. Let's get some salt on it and go on to the next one.
you.